In short, growth is synonymous to physical growth. So what they are saying is growth is synonymous, meaning growth is as same as your physical growth. The growth begins from the conception. Growth is not a lifelong process. So what they are saying that growth happens when the conception occurs. Conception meaning when the sperm meets the egg. From that time the growth happens, and it's not a continuous process. After some age your growth stops. You will not keep growing in your height till you are 50 years old. I said, right, your height stops growing after your 18 years of age. So growth stops after certain age, okay? Even your brain stops growing. Otherwise imagine अगर तुम्हारा brain grow था तो फाटी जात ने. So growth is not a lifelong process. It reaches an optimum between age of 18 to 19 years. So your growth happens to 18 to 19 years, okay? The Gujarati proverb that wisdom develops at the age of 16 and physics develop at the age of 20 sounds true. So there is a Gujarati saying which says that your wisdom, meaning your knowledge, your growth of your brain happens till you are 16 years of age, and your physical growth take place up to 20 years of age, which is true. That means your mind, your brain stops growing after you are 16 years of age, and your height and body stops growing after your 20 years of age. Growth can be seen in the changes of the organ. Even your organ grows, okay? So even your organs grow up to certain age, and after that they stop growing, which is easily observable. You can see the changes happening in your body, okay? Changes occurring in height, weight and physiques can be noted or measured. So they are saying the changes happening in your height, in your weight, in your body, in your inches, you can measure it, right? You can measure your height, you can measure your weight, you can measure all these things. Growth is natural and normal process. It is largely the development on hereditary. So what they are saying is that growth is the natural process. It's hereditary, meaning sometimes your height is similar to what your parents' height is. Okay, if your parents are tall, you are likely to be tall. If your parents are short, you will be thoda short. So your growth develops a lot based on your parents. It can be easily measured growth. Growth is a part of development itself. Okay, so growth is a part of development itself. Now moving on to what is development. Development is the next stage after growth. To understand development of an individual, the dictionary meaning of development is to grow. So what they are saying is that development is the next stage after growth. After growth, development happens. Okay, and even if in dictionary you open and if you read the meaning of development, it will mean to grow. Wherein in psychology, development is defined as growth and change in all the factors except individual's physical growth. So in psychology, what does development include? It includes everything that is happening in your body, but it does not consider the only physical growth. It considers each and every growth that is happening in your body. Mental level, personality development, everything is included in it. Okay? So all the factors are included in it. Development of a person when on growing physically with the help of a brain, the person interacts with the environment and acquires control over any situation or adapts to it. So what they are saying, as we grow physically, as we become mature, as our brain grows, what happens is that we try to adjust in the environment that is around us. Right now we have coronavirus, we are mature, we are developed, that is why we are taking care of us. Right? Our parents don't need to keep telling us how to take care of us because now we are big enough to take care of ourselves. But when we were a baby, when we were just born, or let's say when we were in first, second standard, okay, our parents used to help us out with everything, wearing clothes, giving us bath, all those things. So what they are saying is that as we grow, okay, as we become mature, as we develop ourselves, as our brain also develops, we adjust to the environment that is around us. For example, on physical growth of hands, the child uses them to hold or leave desired and appropriate things, which is the result of development. Let's say a child is born, right? Now the child learns to take control of the hand. So the child has learnt that. So now what will the child do? The child will pick up things on his own. The child will pick up his toys. The child will play with the toys. So that is development. Okay, that the child has learned to use the fingers and the hands. That is development. Another example which suggests development is the flowering of mental process like memory, thought, estimation, imagination, and logic with the growth of the brain. So another example of development is what, that as your brain has grown, you start using your brains, right? You start thinking, you start applying logic to your brain, you start remembering things well, various thoughts starts coming, making estimation એટલે તુક્કો લગાડવો, okay, that is called estimation. You start using your imagination, okay, you start understanding things, you start remembering things. All these things are included in your growth of the brain. Thus, it can be said that development are changes occurring in various traits of an individual due to chemical changes occurring in the body. So, what they are saying is that development is something when various changes are happening in your body, when various things, traits, when various factors in your body are changing because of the chemical release. So, now, obviously, when you grow, there are certain hormones which are released in your body. There are certain chemicals that are released in your body which helps you to understand things, which helps you to grow, which helps you to develop. Okay, so all the release of hormones and chemicals are very, very important in the body for your development. Growth and development begins during pregnancy, but growth ceases at certain age, whereas development is constant, continuing the process. It follows growth. The skill and strength acquired due to growth is development. So what they are trying to say is that growth is something which starts from pregnancy and after certain age it stops. But development is not that. Development goes on till you die. Okay, because your body keeps changing till you die. Okay, so after even when the growth stops, development still keeps happening. Okay. Development psychologist Elizabeth Hurlock defines development as development is qualitative change. Qualitative change meaning your qualities are changing. Qualities એટલે you know what your qualities are, no? When you say what are your qualities, I'm good at this, I'm good at that, those are your qualities. So what are they saying? Good change happening in your body, qualitative change happening in your body. It is sequential, consistent, progressive changes leading towards the goal of maturity. So what they are saying is that development is something which is sequential meaning proper order ma thai. Okay, it is some change. This development is a change which happens in proper order, which is consistent meaning it's like one and the same thing. It goes on like in proper order. It's progressive. What is progressive? It is continuous. It moves towards progress. And what is the main goal of it? To reach maturity. Skinner defines development as the process of development is sequential and a constant continuous process too. So what does Skinner define development as? Development is sequential. Sequential meaning it's in proper order, which is constant meaning एक proper ओलामा छे, and it's a continuous process. It's just a continuous process which starts from birth till a person dies. And I will stop here.